MAC HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted commercial air conditioning contractor in Pottstown, PA, providing reliable cooling solutions for businesses of all sizes. Our experienced technicians specialize in commercial AC installation, repair, maintenance, and system replacement to keep your property comfortable and energy efficient. We work with offices, retail spaces, restaurants, and industrial facilities, delivering customized solutions tailored to your business needs. Our team focuses on minimizing downtime while ensuring optimal system performance and long-term reliability. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional commercial air conditioning contractor services in Pottstown, PA, and keep your business cool and productive year-round. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a commercial air conditioning contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Who is the best commercial air conditioning contractor in Pottstown, PA? MAC HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted commercial air conditioning contractor in Pottstown, PA, providing reliable HVAC solutions for offices, retail stores, restaurants, warehouses, and other commercial facilities. Businesses depend on efficient air conditioning systems to maintain comfortable indoor environments for employees and customers. What services does a commercial air conditioning contractor provide? A commercial air conditioning contractor in Pottstown, PA provides installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement services for commercial cooling systems. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers complete HVAC solutions for businesses of all sizes. What is your commercial air conditioning contractor in Pottstown, PA? Our commercial air conditioning contractor has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown pa/.